everyone, myself Dr. M. Vinayak, working as an assistant professor from the Department of Agriculture Engineering, Aditya University. Up to last class, we have discussed the definition of sowing as well as different sowing methods. So, sowing nothing but art of placing the seed into the soil, and different sowing methods nothing but broadcasting, drilling, dibbling, seed behind the plow, check row planting, hill dropping, transplanting. These are the different types of sowing methods. Let's move on to the seed drill. So, these are the lecture outcomes of the today's class. So, next we can move on to the seed drill. Okay, seed drill nothing but seed drill is a mission of placing the seed into the continuous stream in a furrows at uniform rate at controlled depth with a arrangement of covering the seed with the soil. So, here placing the seed into the furrows, placing the seed in a furrows uniform rate at controlled depth. Okay, so this controlled depth it was possible by using the hydraulic system of the tractor. So here we can see the classification of the seed drills: bullock drawn seed drill and tractor drawn seed drill. This one is the bullock drawn seed drill, this one is the tractor drawn seed drill, this one is a B nothing but bullock drawn, T nothing but tractor drawn seed drill. So here one iron frame is there to connect and disconnect the animal yoke to this seed drill. So here consists of one ground wheel is there for transmit the power from ground wheel to this seed drill. Here they are using the chain and sprocket mechanism. Frame also there. This entire red color structure called as a frame. These are the furrow openers. So suppose the working mechanism of the animal drawn nothing but, so suppose this one is a forward direction of the animal drawn seed drill. While moving the forward direction this seed drill, by using these furrow openers, open the soil. This one is a open the soil. By using this furrow opener, open up the soil. While moving the forward direction of the seed drill, the ground wheel will be rotated in a clockwise direction. It will rotate clockwise direction. So the power transmit from ground wheel to seed metering mechanism. Here the seed metering mechanism was provided here. So while power will be transmitted from ground wheel to here, whatever the seed was available in the seed hopper, this one called as a SH seed hopper. So the seed can be flow into this seed metering mechanism. This one is a seed metering mechanism. The seed metering mechanism collect the seed from the seed hopper and deliver into these tubes. Okay, these tubes was connected to these furrow openers. Okay, this one is a working procedure of the animal drawn seed drill. So here move on to the tractor drawn seed drill. The main function of the tractor drawn seed drill here to carry the seeds. Okay, this one is the tractor drawn seed drill. This one is the tractor drawn seed drill. So here consists of a seed hopper. This seed hopper mainly carry the seed. Whatever the seed was required in a particular area, that seed will be carried by this seed hopper. Next one is that to open the furrow at uniform depth. These are the furrow openers. Okay, so whatever the seed or whatever the farmer requirement, the depth of operation, it will be adjusted by the tractor hydraulic system. So based on the seed requirement and farmer requirement, we can move upon to the optimum depth of operation, right? To open up furrow at uniform depth. Okay, so here how many furrow openers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 6 furrow openers are there. So these 6 furrow openers was open up the soil with a uniform depth. Suppose this furrow opener can be open up 30 centimeter depth. So this also can open up the 30 centimeter depth of furrow. Okay. Next one is to meter the seed. So here to meter the seed nothing but can maintain the seed rate, can maintain whatever the seed was required in a particular area, that seed should be flow from the seed metering mechanism. So these are the seed tube, seed conveyor tube. In between the seed conveyor tube and seed hopper, this position maintain the seed metering device. SMD nothing but seed metering device. This, by using this seed metering device, whatever the seed required that particular area, that amount of seed only we can transfer from seed hopper to the seed conveyor. It will be delivered to the field surface area. Okay. So here main function of the seed metering mechanism is it can meter the seed, okay, one by one can meter the seed and deliver into the ground surface by using the seed conveyor tube. Here to deposit the seed in a furrow in a acceptable pattern. Okay. So what will be happen? So initially by using this 3-point linkage system, we can connect and disconnect the tractor to this implement. So while moving the tractor in forward direction, this one is a forward direction. So initially the furrow will be open. No, the furrow will be open. Here see the sentence, to deposit the seed in a furrows in a acceptable pattern. Okay. After opening the furrows, during the process of forward direction of the tractor, the ground wheel will be rotated in a clockwise direction. While the ground wheel will be rotated in a clockwise direction, by using the chain and sprocket mechanism, we can transfer the power from here to here. Okay. So this entire mechanism coupled with the seed metering devices. So here the seed metering mechanism can collect the seed. By rotating the seed metering mechanism, it delivered to the that particular seed tube. Okay. So this seed tube can be deliver the seed into the these previously opened furrow opens. Okay. Next, to cover the seed and compact the soil around the seed. Okay. So here one iron frame is there, rear side of the seed drill. Here we can look on this. This one is iron wheel. So by using this iron wheel, we can cover the seed as well as compact the soil around the seed. So if does not cover the seed, what will be happen? So the birds or any pest and diseases will be attacked to the that seed. So it may be cannot be germinated. Okay. So uneven germination also happened without covering the seed with the soil. Okay. These are the functions of the seed drill. So next one is the components of the seed drill. So the last slide we have discussed the functions of the seed drill. It will carry, it will open the furrow, can meter the seed one by one and deposit the seed to the furrows as well as cover the seed with the soil. Okay. So this entire 5 operations will be carried by the single equipment, that one called as a seed drill. Okay. Tractor operated seed drill. So this seed drill will carry the seed and open the furrow as well as meter the seed, as well drop the seed into the furrows, as well last operation is the cover the seed with the soil. Next one, components of the seed drill. So here almost I have explained the all components in previous slide. So once again we can see here. Next, first one is the frame. So this entire red color structure called as a frame. The frame is usually made up of angle iron with suitable brasses and brackets. Okay. So this entire structure, the seed drill was entirely mounted on the frame. Okay. So it will be made up of angle iron. Next one is a seed box. This one is a CSB, seed box. It is most of the seed cum fertilizer or seed drill what made up of the galvanized iron, okay, with the suitable cover. So why? Because of the galvanized iron is a most flowability property. So suppose we can take the iron material for the fabrication of the seed drill, seed hopper. What will happen? Due to the resistance force between the seed and that particular material, it cannot be flowed towards to seed metering mechanism. So that's why most of seed cum fertilizer drill, they can go through the fabrication work by using the galvanized iron or mild steel. Okay. So even though these are the light in weight, that's why most of the manufacturer they can go to the galvanized iron. Next one is a small agitator is sometime was provided prevention of clogging of seeds. Okay, so if there any seed clogging in between the seed to seed as well as in the hopper, some agitator was provided for prevention of the clogging. Next one is a covering device. So this black color iron metal rod was called as a covering device. This device to refill a furrow after seed has been placed in it. Okay, so the main function of the furrow opener is refill the soil in a furrows after placing the seed. So different types of furrow openers also there, chains, drags, packers. In the place of these metal plate, we can use the chains, drags and packers also. Next one is the transportation wheel. There are two wheels fitted in the main axle. Some drills have pneumatic wheels also. So in this particular seed drill there is no transportation wheel. Okay, so sometimes we need to carry the seed drill from one place to another place. So by using the transportation wheel or a pneumatic wheel, we can transport the seed drill from one place to another place. Okay, so nowadays most of the seed drill they should not provide the transportation wheel. By using the tractor hydraulic power also we need engage or disengage the optimum height of the seed drills. The wheels have suitable attachment transmit the power to operate the dropping mechanism. So here two wheels they have mentioned. First wheel is for transportation. Second wheel called as a ground wheel. This one is a GD, ground wheel. Okay, so here ground wheel nothing but transmit the power from here to seed metering device by using the chain and sprocket mechanism. So here finally we can discuss finally here I am writing the list of. So finally here how many parts are there? First one is a seed hopper. This one is a seed hopper. Here we are providing the seed metering mechanism, seed metering device also we can call. This one is a seed conveyor tube, SCT, seed conveyor tube. These are the furrow openers, furrow closer or furrow closing device. This one is a ground wheel, GD ground wheel, G wheel ground wheel. So next one here sprocket, here one sprocket was provided for transmitting the power. This one is a power transmission system, P power transmission system, PTS. Okay, so suppose we need to decide the width of sewing. Here suppose 6 furrow openers are there, 6 into the spacing between the furrow openers was you can consider 30 centimeter. So 180 centimeter is the width of sewing this particular seed drill. Okay, so n into S, n nothing but number of furrow openers, S nothing but spacing between the two furrow openers. These are the different components in seed drill. So finally I have concluded today's lecture. The main importance of the seed drill and components, different components of the seed drill and functions of the seed drill. Thank you.